coach proved exactly why he's the coach when he demonstrated to his students how to punch the speed bag, making it sound like an instrument.
Fist hits the bag, 1, 2, and comes back. Single fist here, you hear that beat, changes. Double fist through, single fist, fist rolling. That would be a little drum cadence.